I just got back from Trader Joe's and I'm so excited that I can finally do this for you all. My Instagram family has been requesting a full Trader Joe's haul, so I just restocked up on everything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I just went shopping at Trader Joe's. Guys, I absolutely love Trader Joe's. They've got so many healthy options that you can purchase, and it encourages you to try new things in a healthy manner, as well as they have delicious items. Alright, next up we'll be going through the refrigerator section. So first up we have these blueberries. I really love Trader Joe's blueberries for some reason because they are so sweet. So Trader Joe's has delicious ready-made options. Corn and quinoa salad is one of these. They use I believe cojita cheese with roasted vegetables. So delicious to eat, especially when you're on the go or for road trips. I love grabbing this. So tabbouleh is a great filling option. It's so easy to eat. Trader Joe's actually does a great job of making Middle Eastern salad. It's really healthy for you guys, so I highly recommend this. They also have a Southwest salad, which is similar to the cojita cheese salad. What's great about this is that it has less than a gram of sugar in the dressing, which is really helpful and hard to find in salads these days. Okay, so we have Trader Joe's egg salad, which has a little bit of sugar, but it tastes delicious. And you can eat this alone, or you can put this with whole wheat toast and make sandwiches out of it. It's an awesome option to bring along road trips or a quick little lunch or breakfast that you want to have. So like I said, Trader Joe's is really good at making Middle Eastern salads. The balila is delicious. It's like chickpeas, and toss it around different salads, and it tastes so good. I just love eating this alone. My husband loves it too, so I highly recommend trying this. So healthy for you. It's a great source of protein as well. Okay, Trader Joe's, I love their soup. Each soup is good for like about 4 servings, especially if you want to dilute it a little bit with water because it can get a bit thick. They taste delicious. The pea soup sounds like it wouldn't be delicious, but it's actually really light and tasty. I love their soups because it's a great option to have for dinner. So this is my husband and I's favorite soup. It's a traditional lentil soup, which is a very hearty soup and so unbelievably healthy for you. I like to have this, and so does my husband, for lunch or dinner, just when we've ate a lot and we want to keep it relatively healthy. This is a great option to have. This vegan mac and cheese, and it is so good. It doesn't even taste anything like it being vegan. It tastes how you expect mac and cheese to taste. Very great comfort food and so healthy. There is 0 added sugars. I have no idea how they're able to make this, but this is so good. I've already gone through like 3 or 4 of these. I love adding pico de gallo into my cooking or just on the side as I'm eating quesadillas or my eggs. So fresh, and best part, 0 added sugars. So if you're looking for tofu to buy, I would definitely recommend going to Trader Joe's for their tofu. It's very easy to cook with. They've done all the good stuff for you. Tofu basically takes on any flavor that you cook it with. I'm excited, and I will be sharing lots of recipes with tofu coming up, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. This dip, which was also recommended to me by my Instagram, is delicious. I've had it a couple of times with chips that I will show you guys to eat with. It's so healthy. It's 0 added sugar. It tastes just like the seasoning, but even better because it's mixed with yogurt. It's not exactly the healthiest, but it's so delicious to have on your whole wheat toast or whole wheat muffins. They taste amazing. So I have a really big sweet tooth, and I'll show you guys the healthiest options that I satisfy my sweet tooth with. Their hummus chocolate brownie batter. This is so good. It has about 5 grams of added sugar, which is a lot less compared to other sweets you'll find, and it is so filling. I only have a couple of teaspoons of this and then I'm good to go. Okay guys, I love my dates. They are the best sugary and hydrating snack that you can find, and healthy sugar. Dates are extremely healthy for you, filled with nutrition, and because I grew up in an Islamic culture, dates are very much part of it. So used to the best coming from Saudi Arabia and the Middle East, where they grow most softest and delicious dates. I do have to say though, I love medjool dates, but I don't know what Trader Joe's does with these dates. There's no added sugars, but they're just so creamy and soft and delicious. I usually buy 2 of these and I have like about 2 dates a day, either before my breakfast or after breakfast. They're so satisfying. I highly recommend getting these. It's a great healthy snack to just pop in your oven, roast it, add a little bit of seasoning. You keep this frozen, there's barely any sodium, and once again, no added sugars. So another healthy snack that was actually recommended to me by my Instagram fam are these sugar snap peas. They are so easy to do. You literally just take this bag and microwave it, and it's enough for 2 people. So I got these broccoli heads because I just like to make my food as healthy as possible, especially when you're cooking. It's so easy to add these. Coming from like a Pakistani culture, we're not used to cooking with vegetables as often, so I highly recommend grabbing these just so you can throw in your food. They taste delicious, and even alone when you just want to roast them or season them with salt, pepper, and olive oil, they taste so good. Okay, so speaking of, I've already made a recipe with this shrimp scampi, but I love their egg fettuccine noodles because they're gluten-free. If you're looking for another healthy snack, these roasted vegetables are delicious. Pop them in the oven if I don't have time to make vegetables and roast them, or if I'm just feeling like eating a light snack instead of a salad, I might just eat these. These are delicious. Next up we have oat milk. So they have a refrigerated size that's a lot bigger and has 1 extra gram of sugar, and then this you can find in the non-refrigerated section, and it has 0 added sugars. I preferably use this version a lot. I like to add it in my cereals and my overnight chia seeds. In whatever needs milk, I like to use this instead, and it tastes delicious. Okay guys, for my heavy coffee drinkers, this cold brew is great. A lot of people who drink black coffee can usually drink this alone. It is very effective, there's no added sugars, and it's healthy. What I like to do is I like to mix this in with my milk, and I'll show you guys actually a delicious recipe that I do that's very healthy and tastes so good, like you're at Starbucks. So if you guys are looking for vegan options, they have this soy cheese blend mix, which is like tastes just like cheddar, mozzarella, and jack cheese, which you can add on top of your pizza. It's really good, and it really does a job of tasting just like cheese. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that was really helpful and informative. Clearly, I do most of my groceries at Trader Joe's. Not as much of their produce section, but everything else they have to offer is just amazing and usually a better, healthier alternative to what other stores have to offer. Leave me some love below or recommendations you want me to try, and hope you guys have fun shopping at Trader Joe's. Bye!